What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. In today's video we have an important update for the Electra, and I know I have made a video previously about this, and unfortunately this one changes quite a lot of stuff, and this is very important since after installing this update you will have to reinstall the themes and the tweaks, and this is why it's very important. So if you go ahead and here on the Electra, this one is for the iOS 11.0 up to iOS 11.1.2. You pretty much jailbreak with it, install tweaks, install themes. For those of you who are new to the channel, Electra pretty much allows you to install all this, and you can check out in the description down below a list with the compatible tweaks that can be installed through Electra. Now, if you go ahead in here, you can see that Coolstar has released the Beta 9. And in the Beta 9, there are quite a lot of changes that are very important for the stability of the jailbreak itself. And since, as I said, this is a beta, it means that each and every beta that appears is important and has to be installed on your device if you're using Electra. So please do not rely on saying, okay, I'm using the Beta 8, it works for me, or I'm using Beta 7, works pretty fine for me, and stuff like that. Just because it works relatively fine doesn't mean it doesn't have bugs that have to be corrected. So in the Beta 9, we can see it says in here, quote, "The sandbox is now working on the first launch for apps and daemons thanks to Stake29. Removes the 0.5-second delay when launching apps or daemons that was present since the Beta 1. So this is an important improvement. Then it says check if a new beta is available when Electra is launched. Yes. Starting with the Beta 9, Electra will automatically check if there is a new beta available, which is very useful since you no longer need to check out yourself. You'll just get a notification. So after that it says double launch workaround has been removed since it's no longer needed, fixing all bugs introduced on Beta 8. Because yes, there were a couple bugs introduced in Beta 8. That's what I'm saying. With each beta there are a couple fixes, but then there are also bugs that can be introduced in the process. Okay, the next thing on the list is remove Anemone Fonts Dialib, which is pretty much a dynamic link library containing pretty much the fonts for Anemone, I guess, but it was removed since it was causing problems. Again, this is present on the Beta 8 and Beta, I don't know, 7 and 6, but it's no longer on Beta 9. So it says in here, important note, if you are upgrading from Beta 8.2 or lower to any Beta 9 or higher, you will need to reinstall all tweaks and themes. Now, this is very important, and this hasn't happened before. With the previous updates, you never had to reinstall your tweaks and your themes, but starting with the Beta 9, you need to do that. So that's one of the reasons I'm saying you should always get the Electra from the official source, since when you're getting it from third parties or no computer methods, they do not tell you you have to do this, and you do not know you have to do this, and they might as well have older versions. So check out the coolstar.org/Electra for the latest version of this jailbreak. So in order to download it, you press download in here, you will get the IPA, which looks like this. It's the Beta 9, which I'm not going to download since I already have it. And of course, you need to download CDI Impactor. CDI Impactor is available for both Windows and Mac OS. It's also available for Linux. And it looks like this. It's this application here. You connect your phone, drag and drop the IPA, log in with your Apple ID in order to sign the IPA to be approved by the device in order to start, and you're good to go. Now, as I said, if you're running an older version, the quickest method to upgrade is to pretty much uninstall the version you have, for example 8.2. Then you will need to install the Beta 9, restart your device, and you will need to reinstall, in this case, all your tweaks and all your themes. Yes, I know it's a little bit annoying to reinstall all your tweaks and all your themes. I know some of you have your own setup of a theme and a tweak or a couple tweaks and a theme and a couple icons and icon masks and so on, and it would be a pain to reinstall everything and get everything back again on track, but it's required, and this is one of the drawbacks when we're running on a beta. But this update is very important, so definitely install it, and do not overlook it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe to stay updated. I will keep you updated with anything that's going on in the jailbreak community, including these important beta updates for the Electra jailbreak, which for the moment is the most powerful jailbreak for the iOS 11.0 up to iOS 11.1.2. So thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated. I'm GeoSnow. Peace out.